Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Minds. My name is Asan Khurram, and in this channel I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I also teach Tableau, a data visualization tool. For today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how we can actually plot an area chart in Tableau. So first thing we need to do, I will go towards the data plane and I will pick on this registration date dimension and I will then place it on column shelf. By default, it has aggregated a value to our yearly. We need to change it to on daily basis. So we will go towards this capsule, click on the drop down menu and then click on day. So now it has populated the values in day. The next thing we need to do is to take a measure. The measure in our case will be the total profit. So I will take this total profit measure capsule and then throw it on row shelf. So by default we get a line chart. So we will go toward this drop down menu in mark and then we will change it to area. That being said, we have actually successfully created an area chart, but let's make this visualization more interested and let's segment this area chart based on the marketing channel types. So I will take this marketing channel type dimension, then I will throw it on color card. Now you can see that it has successfully displayed the values based on every marketing channel type. So thank you for joining me and I will catch you soon in the next video.